Hi guys, how are you? I am Niyati again in front of you. So, can you guess what are we going to make today? Are you not guessing? Okay, I'll tell you. Today we are going to make one bird, cutie bird. So, we need one origami sheet. So take one and put other one side, and one sketch pen to draw. So let's start. First, put it opposite side like this, and then fold it like this. Just be careful; it should be equal. This point also should be equal. Okay. Then open it again, and you can see this line. According this line, fold it. Just fold it. If someone's drawing is not good, so it doesn't matter. Everyone can draw a single eye. Okay, so don't worry. Nothing to worry about. Now fold it. It was like this. Then fold it like this, and open it little, and a part of above like this. And this. So this now it is done like this. So let's draw one eye of the bird. I'm making bird like this. The shine is coming in. I love to draw like the shine is coming on the bird eye. Again over here, shine is coming. Okay, so done. Nothing much there. Very less time taking bird you can make this bird. It will hardly take 4 to 3 minutes. Okay. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And don't forget all these 4 things: like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay, bye friends. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget. If you forgot, then Black Crow will bite you. Like Shinchan says. Okay, bye friends. See you in the next video. Bye.